Out of Mills Ammunition. Thanks for coming. Mills Ammunition is a small, family-owned, veteran-run business. We love you watching our videos. It means so much to us. So please like, share, and subscribe. Tell your friends. We're out of Huntersville, North Carolina, and what we're doing here is we're just doing some testing. To be frank with you, I love the 7.62 by 39, and we are going to build around. So we're just trying to figure out what works and doesn't work with the already factory stuff that's out there. So we're starting out with the good old-fashioned steel-cased Russian stuff. We'll see what it shoots. I've shot a couple of rounds. We're where we need to be as far as sight alignment, zeroed in, and we'll just kind of keep that zero for all the other ammunition that we're running and see what it does for us. But this stuff right now is going to run. We're at the 100-yard range. I've got a, this is a Century Arms model 1960. These were made, I think, in the early 2000s by Century Arms. So it's a milled receiver. Of course, I've got the primary arms glass on this thing. Awesome. It's perfect for the 7.62 by 39. And we're going to watch the velocities and see where we go. So thanks for watching. Oh, by the way, we're going to shoot, it's not a, best thing to do, right, would be to shoot a ton of groups. But we're shooting, we're going to shoot 2 3-round groups and move to the next brand. Thanks for watching. Alright, there's a 3-round group. Go to the right of that. Should be all that's in there. Yep. Just curious, let's see what this thing did. So our average is 2409. Highest at 2435, lowest at 2357. This is series 01. Extreme spread of 78. Standard deviation of 21.5. So I'm going to actually walk down and see what this thing looks like. All right, now we're going to switch over to these Fiocchi. These are 7.62 by 39, 124 grain. Supposed to run at 2375. Let's see if that's the case. We're ready to rip. It's a little windy today. Not crazy wind, but it's windy. And there's no leaves on any trees that are in this little area. We got a tailwind. The flag's not up. Much better groups, I'll tell you that. I gotta look because we're so freaking into this. Let's see what we got here. It's only 6 rounds, but we got 2219. That's pretty big. Extreme spread of 133. That's a lot. Standard deviation 51. No bueno. That's a lot. All right, let's go down range and see what we got. All right, now we're switching over to these Winchester. These are PowerPoints, so this is a hunting round. It's moving slower. It's supposed to be moving at 2033. Muzzle at 2365, so that's what we're looking at, 2365. So we'll see what we get out of it. But this is 123 grain. So same, the Fiocchi was 124, the steel stuff is 123, this stuff is 123. So we'll give it a rip, see what we can get out of it. I'm pretty sure group-wise, that's like nobody's. That's so much better. All right. That looks like a ton better. I'll go down. I gotta change paper anyway. So let's see, extreme spread 27, standard deviation 10.1. You can see the much more consistent stuff. It was running at 2266. So they say 2365 from the muzzle. That looks like the best group. We'll have to go down there and check it. But all right, next. All right, now we're going to run these Belloms. These are 123 grain, and we'll see how these go. These are made in Serbia, I believe. Yep, made in Serbia, and I'll have to look it up. But these don't have feet per second on it. But that last group was by far our best. This is full metal jacket stuff. So I don't know, maybe it's the soft point. But let's give this a rip. See if I can see that. That's in the quadrant, high and left. Not bad. I don't see that one. All right. Let's see what it did. And that's bottom right. 2228, extreme spread is 63, standard deviation 21.6, high of 2252, low 2190. All right, let's see what we got next. All right, so now we're going upper right. This is the S&B, obviously made out of Czechoslovakia. This is their tactical. I believe it's 123. Oh, it's 124. This stuff is supposed to be moving at 24-21. All right, let's give her a go. Good. Ooh, I think that went, I think I'm left on that. Sucks, because now I'm in the other paper. That's a pretty good group, big group. This shit's all over the place. But that's 6 of them. I think that Bellom shot better. Let's see what this did. $23.76. This is Series 5. Extreme spread 55. Standard deviation 21.3. High of 21.407. Low of 23.52. I'll do one more and then guy's coming up. Man, when there's a difference, there's a huge freaking difference. So this is their hunting stuff. 124 grain, supposed to be 24.38. This is just regular old rifle ammo, it says. Boy, that Winchester was so much better. Alright, so this is Series 6, and this is just the standard Sellier and Bellot. I thought this was like a soft point. Is it a soft point? Yeah. Maybe this is the thing. We'll figure out if this soft point's where it's at. I think that got way left. I think I got one. Now I gotta go way up. All right, let's see. So 23.76, extreme spread 73, high 24.26, standard deviation of 26.2. And I'm telling you, dude, that Winchester stuff was tons better. All right, go down range. All right, so I've got the PMC bronze. This is 123 grain, supposed to be running at 23.50. Go 2 clicks to the right. Come on, let's see where you are. I think that's pretty good. I think that's a good group. I think that's pretty good. All right, let's go see what's next. All right, let's see what we got here for the, which one was this? Oh, the PMC bronze. Cream spread of 66, 2241 was average, high 2264, low 2198, standard deviation 28.6. Now we are going to go with the PPU. These are 120 grain, 123 grain, I mean. Don't have a lot of hope for these, but we'll see. Get a little more crowded out here than I like. The sun's not helping me right now. All right, so the PPUs were 2326, high 2363, low 2298, extreme spread of 66, standard deviation 23.2. All right, now we're going to run the Igman. Bosnia, 123 grain. Not seeing velocities on here. That's pretty good. Dang. I think those are good. I think that was really good. I'm telling you, man, Krebs custom triggers, awesome. All right, what do you know? Extreme spread 38, standard deviation 14.3, high 2301, low 2313. Lowest or high 2313, low 2276, extreme spread 38, dude. That's everything. All right, let's see what we got next. I just shot the Underwood. I think I missed the video.
We gotta turn the lights on. We gotta. We need to shut down if you're going to be out there. Yeah, go ahead. That's all right. Yeah, go ahead. That's fine.
Oh boy. Anyway, I think I just messed up where I was at. I think they're top left. I missed the velocities on them. But this is series 10. I don't know, I think I just missed some. I don't know what to say on those. I think I lost the velocities on those. Damn it. Anyway, what are you gonna do? But Underwood was top left. Look at this. All right. So these are some, I think what happened, and I'll look through the group when we get back, I think I was picking up someone else's round. So thanks for watching. The purpose of doing this testing was for some load development work that we're doing. And so I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got some information out of it, and I hope you'll subscribe and share and tell your friends. The next test is going to be we're going to do a same ammunition, same preliminary small groups of just two different 3-shot strings for each ammunition. We're going to do it with a Wasser 10, Century Arms Wasser 10. And as I look at what we figured out, you know, one thing that sticks to me is think about the Russian steel, which you know, we're talking about steel versus brass. Most folks will, I've always heard, I guess, that, you know, can't run brass and AK. I've been doing it for years, but can't run brass and AKs and this, that, and the other thing. What we see here is the Russian steel was really the most poorly accurate groups by a significant margin. You know, what's interesting is that as far as the posted feet per second, it was the closest as far as averages go to what the numbers are supposed to be. Supposed to be running that Russian steel stuff, which I'll be honest, I'm not sure which brand it was. But it's supposed to be running at 2,400, and we got an average of 2,409. But what I was super impressed with, obviously, was the Winchester PowerPoint. Phenomenal out of that gun. You know, average of 2.685, group of 2.49 inches and 2.88. PMC bronze was really good as we look at these numbers. You know, I would always and strongly believe, you know, the lower standard deviation you're going to get more consistent groups, typically, especially with rifles. So that follows that sense as far as that Winchester PowerPoint goes. But you know, the Bellom performed real well. Igman, the PMC bronze. The one thing that, as far as the numbers go, don't look as good is that Underwood. That Underwood had the smallest group, 2.11 inches. The next group to it was 6.7 inches. That's got to be some sort of anomaly. So we'll keep it in the running, and you know, we're going to shoot some larger groups. You know, we're just trying to kind of pare down what's working and what's not. So hope you enjoyed it. Hope the spreadsheet helps a little bit. And again, like, share, subscribe, tell your friends. Appreciate you a ton. Enjoy.